Who's excited for the upcoming holidays? We have lots of amazing baby books. These are some of our first books. This is the Touchy Feely Christmas. It has touchy-feely parts on every single page. There's also a baby's first fold-out Christmas book. That would be wonderful. We have lots in our That's Not My series for Christmas. This is Snowman. But there's also reindeer and elves and angel. Definitely check those out for those 0 to 2 kiddos. We also have Touchy Feely Santa Claus and Nativity. This is the Santa Claus one. It does tell a little bit of a story of Santa coming to everyone's house. There you see him flying in his sleigh. There are touchy-feely parts on every page. This is one of our newer ones, and it is definitely a hit. We've already read it, even though it is nowhere near Christmas time. We have fun pop-up Christmas books. We have Pop-Up Christmas and Pop-Up 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. These ones, have pop-ups on every page as you're telling the story. So when everyone wakes up on Christmas morning, piles of presents are under every tree. It's been a busy night for Santa and the elves. So much fun. You see Santa's sleigh flying. This traditionally tells the 'Twas the Night Before Christmas story. Oh, sorry. But it has pop-ups. You see the children all snug in their beds, him looking out the window. Lots of fun. We have activity books for Christmas. These are magic Christmas painting cards. If you get these, you can have, you just use water and you get to paint the Christmas cards. There are 2 different designs, the tree and then the town, and you can send them out. There's also a magic painting Christmas book. There's a fingerprint activities for Christmas. There's a washable pad, and you get to do different designs on the page. What's that one? You get to make those cute little boxes. Here you get to make some elves out of your fingerprints. There's lots of pages in this book. These are great keepsakes. Decorating the ornaments with your fingerprints. So you just dip and put your fingerprints on there. We also have a wipe clean Christmas book. So lots of wipe clean lovers. I know these are just dry erase. You can use them again and again. There are mazes. There are little dot to dots. There are search and finds. There are things to trace. So lots of great things in our wipe clean Christmas. There's also Christmas doodles. There is a Christmas mazes book. I don't have that one yet, but this is the Christmas doodles. You're getting to doodle on every single page. So this is great for older kids, if they're wanting to draw. Those of you who like our wipe clean cards would really like the Christmas doodles. It's not wipe clean, but it is a thick book. We do have some sticker books for Christmas as well. Some of our sticker dollies are, Snow Princess or Christmas. You're getting to dress the dollies up. Let's see, there's some of the clothes you get to put on them. And then our Little First stickers is brand new this year. But these are all reusable. There's over 300 reusable stickers. These are great for early users because they are scenes. And then what you get to do is you get to take all these pictures, all these stickers off and put them and create and decorate your own scene. There are lots. Like I said, there are over 300 in here, and these are reusable ones, so you get to use them again and again. We also have Christmas activity books, and this is the Little Children's Christmas activity book. Same and different, some mazes. This would be a great gift. There are some stickers. We use this one. This one was one of ours that we got actually last year, but I wanted to show it to you because these are great. Tyler was 2.5 last year, or 2, closer to 2 when we started to use that. So also, for those of you who like things to spot, we have 1,001 things to spot at Christmas. This is family fun. So you are searching on the page, Christmas land, find 10 flying letters, 5 elves chopping, 8 reindeer, 4 snow boots, 4 advent calendars. Lots of pages within this one. This one's a new one to me this year, but I am super excited for it because we love search and find. What do you spy? And the last one I wanted to show you was our Christmas stories for little children. This is more of our hardback storybook, and it does have some different stories in it. The Elf and the Toy Maker, The Fake Santa, Santa's Day Off, Chili and the Bonfire, Snowy and Icy, and Freezy's New Buttons. So they are illustrated stories. And this would be a perfect like bedtime, winter, all December type of book. So there are some of our Usborne Christmas books.